Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Sandpoint Well Kit is probably one of the most effective and affordable ways to access groundwater on your property, especially if you are in an area with shallow water tables and want to avoid the high costs and complexities of traditional well drilling. This video will provide you with an in-depth review of this kit, covering its features, ease of use, and overall value, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your water needs. Number 5. Samger Antique Well Pump. This antique-style well pump adds a touch of rustic charm to your outdoor space while providing a reliable way to draw water. It's perfect for gardens, ponds, or even campsites. We've included a repair kit with high-quality leather parts, ensuring it lasts for years to come. This means less downtime and more time enjoying your water source. Made from durable cast iron, it's built to withstand the elements and provide years of reliable service. You'll get water faster with less effort. It easily pumps water up to 25 feet. This efficient design means you'll spend less time pumping and more time enjoying the water. With its simple manual operation and 1-to-1 4-points inlet hose fitting, it's incredibly easy to use. Just attach your hose and start pumping. It's energy efficient and requires minimal maintenance, saving you time and money. Enjoy reliable water access without the hassle. It's perfect for various outdoor settings, from gardens and ponds to campsites and farms. The adjustable handle ensures comfortable use in any situation. What we like. It comes with a repair kit, ensuring longevity. Its heavy-duty cast iron build promises years of reliable service. If you need a durable, long-lasting hand pump for your well, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install, comes completely assembled, extremely excellent quality. I've had the 1ST1 we bought over 15 years. Works well, solid build. We live off the grid in a dry cabin. We use a 55 gallons barrel filled with water and attached this pump. We did the same in the greenhouse. They work excellent for us. Number 4. Simmons 1722-to-1 drive points. This is the Simmons 1722-to-1 drive point, designed for superior performance in diverse soil conditions. Its robust construction ensures long-lasting reliability. It's engineered to be driven into all types of soil with ease. This makes it ideal for a wide range of applications. Note the jacket over gauze construction. It's permanently fixed to a perforated steel pipe for lasting durability and optimal water flow. The design allows for the passage of all the sand-free water the pipe can carry. This ensures maximum efficiency. It features a stainless steel jacket and gauze for superior corrosion resistance and longevity. This ensures years of reliable service. Choose the Simmons 1722-to-1 for a dependable and efficient solution to your water well needs. It's built to last. What we like. This drive point tackles any soil type with ease. The stainless steel construction guarantees durability and prevents corrosion. If you're looking for a reliable and durable solution for accessing groundwater, this is a great choice. What people say. I drove the drive point from Simmons with a metal post driver by hand about 25 foot. I used pipe made for driving and the drive pipe connectors rather than the common connectors for joining pipe. I have recently hooked up the pump and it works very well. This point is not cut with the long water intake slots but rather it has a couple hundred small holes, which is what I was looking for. Not even a razor-thin rock has a chance of slicing into the inner mesh. The welds are heavy and durable and the threading is machined perfectly. We put in a garden well in our backyard with this well point. It worked as advertised and we're getting water. It's been in the ground about 2 weeks now and still is working. Number 3. SWP 300 Pitcher Pump. This handy well pump is made of durable cast iron with a protective paint coating. It's built to last and resist rust, ensuring years of reliable service. It's incredibly easy to use, simply install it and pump. You'll be able to draw water from up to 25 feet below the surface with minimal effort. Perfect for various outdoor settings, from gardens and ponds to campsites and farms. It's completely electricity-free, making it ideal for remote locations. This model boasts a maximum lift height of 25 feet and a flow rate of 300 gallons per hour. It's made of cast iron, is black in color, and weighs 16 pounds. Installation is a breeze with the included screws. Remember to empty it during winter to prevent freezing. Enjoy the convenience and reliability it offers. We stand behind our product with a 1-year limited warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us, we're always happy to help. What we like. Made from durable cast iron, it's built to last. Its simple design makes it incredibly user-friendly. If you value ease of use and long-term durability in a hand pump, this is a great option. What people say. Well constructed, easy install. Works fine. Worked great right out of the box, 10 GPM. Just twist on and hand pump. This cast iron pitcher pump was just what needed. Our irrigation well was blocked and this dandy piece of equipment managed to bust through the clog. Well, water poured out clean and forceful. Very satisfied and did not need professional help. It's a keeper. Number 2. Merrill DRCUP 125 coupling. This is the Merrill DRCUP 125, a heavy-duty drive coupling built for demanding jobs. It's designed to provide a secure and reliable connection in tough conditions. It features extra heavy, recessed, and straight-tapped steel for superior strength and durability. This ensures it can withstand the rigors of daily use. This coupling seamlessly connects the well point to the drive pipe, creating a strong and leak-proof seal. This is crucial for efficient and reliable operation. Its heavy-duty design makes it perfect for tough driving conditions. You can count on it to perform even under pressure. The steel construction ensures high durability, and the well-machined threaded coupler guarantees a tight seal. It's built to last. Choose the Merrill DRCUP 125 for a reliable, durable, and high-performing solution for your well point connections. It's the smart choice for professionals. What we like. This coupling is built to withstand tough conditions. It provides a secure connection between your well point and drive pipe. If you need a robust and reliable connection for your well drilling, choose this one. What people say. They looked good and solid and the threads were good. Nicely cut threads. Worked great for my sand point install. All hooked up and no leaks in suction line. We needed theses to complete the project of replacing our point well. None of the local stores carry them anymore. We ordered a few extras so we'll have them on hand next time we have to replace the point, typically every 9 years. Number 1. Simmons 1160 PM 500 pitcher pump. This pitcher pump is built to last. Its robust design ensures years of reliable service. It's constructed from close-grained cast iron for superior strength and durability. Every component is designed for optimal performance. Notice the reinforced bolt lugs. They provide extra strength where it matters most, ensuring it can handle even the toughest jobs. The adjustable cap allows you to customize the handle position for maximum comfort and efficiency. Find the perfect fit for your needs. This pump is designed for rugged, long-life service. You can depend on it for years to come. Experience the difference of superior craftsmanship and reliable performance. Choose the Simmons 1160 PM 500. What we like. Made entirely from durable cast iron, it's built for long-lasting use. The reinforced design ensures maximum strength and reliability. If you prioritize strength and durability in a hand pump, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The overall quality seems to be good and I had no issues installing it. They are well made unlike most of the other Chinese pumps that are not cast well. Installation was easy, and I installed a 1-water line to it, with a foot valve at the pond end. It works fantastic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.